Hello, you're welcome. My name is Yvonne, and today we are learning how to cut a max circle dress. It is a simple way, and hope you're fine. Just be set and let's go on. So I will be using this fabric. It is an Ankara fabric. I folded it into two parts according to the length that I'll be using, which is 55 in this case. As you see, according to the tape measure, it is 55 in length. So I'll be folding it into two in a triangular form, as you see me do here. I'm folding in a triangular form like this, and then I will take my measurements. So I'll go to the upper corner and get my shoulder measurement and divide it by 2, and whatever I get. Anyway, before, according to the Ankara fabric, there is a part missing here according to my length, so there is a difference. You see, some part is long and the other is short. I'll be cutting another piece and fix it there later. So let's first take the measurements. So I've gone ahead and marked my shoulder measurement divided by 2, whatever I get it there, and then I've gone ahead and marked my bust line. That is my bust divided by 4, whatever I get I mark it there. Then I also got my armhole depth, which is 8 inches, and then I marked the armhole in a curvy form. Then my neck width is 3.5, my neck depth is 4. Then I'll get and mark a curve here, as you see. Then I'll go ahead and slant my shoulder by 1 inch and mark a line there. And I think from there I will go ahead and cut everything after marking. So that is it. This is it after cutting everything, and this is the part I was telling you. There is a part missing here, as you see. There is a part missing there. It's both on the front and the back side. Actually, I cut everything together. The back side and the front part, I cut everything together. So I go ahead, and this is the other part that is missing. So I've gotten a fabric and folded it there accordingly, and then I'll just go ahead and cut. Just as you see how I've marked, so the length will just be equal here. So this is it after cutting. I've gone ahead and cut 2 sleeves. This is it. Those are my sleeves. There are 2, and then I've also cut 2 facings for the front and for the back. So I'll just go ahead. I think now it's time to go to the sewing machine. I've cut everything together. So on the sewing machine, I'll first join the other missing part on the fabric. As I told you, I'll join it where it is supposed to be, as you see me here doing. I've gone ahead and pinned the missing fabric. Then I'll go ahead and sew everything together, right side facing each other, and I'll be removing those pins as I reach that part. This is what we have after joining. There is that line, but it won't show so much. Somebody cannot recognize. That's it. When we use Ankara fabric, their length is not so long. So I've gone ahead and pinned down the facings and I'll just sew along, and I'll be removing those pins, then sew along very neatly and gently. As I remove those pins, I'll just go ahead and sew everything together, still right sides facing each other, right side of the facing the right side of the fabric. Then so this is it. As you see, I've finished the facing and it is laying so flat just because I went ahead and top stitched on the facing. As you see, you top stitch on the facing only, or you cut some, actually you just top stitch, or you, and so that facing lays flat and neat, as you see there. So it's looking neat and professional. So I'll just go ahead and get my sleeves, and I'll just hem them down there. As you see, I'll hem both sleeves and then I'll join them here along the armhole. Yes, so let's just go to the sewing machine and do that. After by the hemming, I'll just flip everything right sides facing each other, and I'll sew along, join the front and the back on the sides at a 1 inch seam allowance, and then I'll also hem this downer part. This is one of the sleeves after hemming it. So let's just go ahead and join it along the armhole area like this. Still don't forget right sides facing each other. Yes, you just make sure the middle part of the sleeve is facing the middle part of the armhole, and then you join everything together. And yes, this is what I have now. It's kind of an A-line, but it's a circle dress. I went ahead also and cut my belt. This belt is 3 times the waist measurement of the dress, and in width it is 2.5 inches plus ½ inch allowance for sewing. So this is the dress before the belt. This is how it will be looking. It is good for pregnant people, and if you just want to be free, nothing tight on you, this is how it is looking so far. And when you go ahead and attach, you see it is really maxi and it is really large. And this is it. When you tie the belt, you can tie it any side you want, back, front, side, like I did. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for being here with me. Always don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.